buddies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you some amazing kawaii stationery items which you should definitely buy. So now without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's go. So before starting our video, or you can say before I'll show you all those products, I want to tell you about Journal Say. So basically this is an online stationery shopping website. You have to just type Journal Say on Google and then just click on the first link. After that you can just see this interface, and you can see that this interface is so cute, and mostly they have kawaii products, or you can say journal supplies. And I want to tell you some more things about them, like they have best kawaii stationery supplies, best journal supplies. I just love them. I'm not saying all these things because they gave me those stationery supplies in free, but I really love those products and I'm going to buy some more stationery items from them. And if you have any query related to their products, then you can just WhatsApp them on this number, and you can even contact them on Instagram. Their Instagram ID link is in description, so you can just follow. So now let me show you that how can you place your order on Journal Say. So just imagine that I'm going to buy this product from their website. Then you have to just click on it, and here you can see this interface. You can just change its designs, change its color from these options. You can just select any one. Then you have to click on add to your bag or buy now option. So right now I'm going to click on buy now. Then you will see this interface. Here you have to fill all the information about yourself, like your name, address and everything they ask you. You can even change the type of shipping you want, like economy, standard, fast, any type of shipping you want, just choose it. And you can pay through credit card, debit card or even with PayPal. So yeah. And if you want discount, like 10% discount, then use my coupon code, which is creative, CREATIVE. Everything is capital. Just write it on there and apply. And after that you can just place your order by clicking on complete order. Let me tell you few more things about them, like free delivery above 890.90 rupees, which is $12. Number 2 is that they have same price as AliExpress, but they will ship your product faster than they do. Number 3 is that they take around 7 to 25 days for delivery. Number 4 is you can pay through credit card, debit card or even with PayPal. Number 5 is that they will take no tax fees, so you have to just pay for your order only. Number 6, and very amazing thing, that they have trackable system. You can track your order from anywhere, anytime. So yeah, after watching this video, just go and buy something from their website. They have amazing journal supplies and kawaii products. So just go and give their website a try. And if you like any specific item from this video, then just don't worry. All the links are in description. You can buy from their website. Now let me show you their kawaii and journal supplies which they gave me. So the first thing which they gave me are these light color kawaii marker highlighter pens, and you can see their packaging. They are so classic in look and I love them. Like I love the packaging, and they are 6 in colors and all those colors are so cute. They have really kawaii look. Now let me just take them out and show you how they works. Now let's see how they works. You know what, the design of this highlighter pen is awesome. I love them. Now let's see their pigmentation and how they work. You can see the pigmentation of these highlighter pens, like they are awesome. Their tip is so smooth, like so smooth. I just love those pens. So I'm going to rate these markers 10 out of 10 because I just love them. So the next thing which we have are these 60 pieces Instagram style creative retro memo pad, and they are awesome in look. They look so cute. Now let's just take them out and let's see how they works. So they came in so many different sizes and in so many different prints, and I love that thing. And the paper quality is also so good and the paper are also so smooth. I just love them. Now let's write something on it and let's see how it looks. So you can see that it looks so cute, and the paper also works so well, like there are no traces behind this paper, and I love that thing. And you can even make bookmarks with these paper, like they look so cute. And I'm going to rate this product like 9 out of 10. So the next thing which we have are these 366 pieces not repeating sulfuric acid paper material book retro plant memo pad. The name is so long, but I love the product. So you can see that they have so many pages, like 366 pieces, and by just holding it like this, I love it. And let me tell you one more thing, every single piece, like every single paper has its own different print. So love that thing, like every single print now is so cute, it's so aesthetic. So I just love that. Now let's write something on one of them and let's see how it looks. So the paper quality is so soft and you can see through it, which is good. And here I write something on it, but the thing is that if you write something on it, then just write it with dark ink, because we can't see light color that much on it. So I will recommend you to use dark ink like sketch pen or something. So yeah, I will give this product 10 out of 10. So the fourth product which we have are these 50 sheets literature art aesthetic sticker book. Well, I never see a sticker book like this, so I'm so excited for using it. So you can see that its size is so small and it is so aesthetic in look as well. And I want to tell you one more thing, like every single sheet has its own print. So you have so many stickers, and let me tell you how it works. So just take any one sticker from this book, and the thing is that they have no like sticky surface, so you have to use any double-sided tape or Fevistick, Fevicol, any type of glue you have. Here I'm using double-sided tape, so yeah, you have to use it just like this. So this is how it looks. It looks so aesthetic. It is giving me such a good vibe, and I'm going to give this product 8 out of 10. Why 8? Because if they have a sticky surface also then this product is on high level. So yeah, I'm going to rate this product 8 out of 10. So the next thing which we have are these 2 sheets of simple number and alphabet planner stickers, and their packaging is also so good, like they are giving me such a kawaii look. So yeah, this product looks amazing. Now let's see how they work. So this is how they look, and I just love the colors. I love the style the number and alphabets are written on these stickers. So yeah, now let's see how they look when we just paste them on our notebook. So this is how they look. They look so cute. They are so kawaii in look, and I just love these stickers. So I'm going to rate these stickers 10 out of 10, and I just love them. So the next product which we have are these wooden stems, and I love them. Like I never used these kind of stems before, so I'm so excited for using it. and the way they pack these kind of stamps and all those products are so aesthetic in look, and I love that thing. Now let's see how both of our stamps looks, and the design you see in the front of these like covers, or you can say in the package, are the design of the stamps which they gave me. So yeah, now let's see how they work. So both of our stamps work so good, and I love their design. I love the way they work. So yeah, I'm going to rate these stamps 10 out of 10, and I love this product also. Next product which we have is this laser printing bronzing creative washi tape, and I love the print, like they have jellyfish print and I love that. Now let's see how it works. I say let's see how it works in this video so many times, है ना? So anyways, so you can see that this tape is so like thin, and let's see how it works. I know I'm saying this so many times, but let's see how it looks, not work, how it looks. So yeah, here I cut small piece of this tape, and we have to just remove a thin layer from it, and it looks something like this. So let's just paste it on the picture of this aeroplane wali sticker ke upar. Let's just paste it over there, and voila, you can see that this this washi tape looks so cool, so good. I'm going to rate this sticker 10 out of 10, because there is no such thing from which I can cut the marks. So yeah, this washi tape works so good. So the next product which we have is this 12 pieces / set antiquity combination journal tape series washi tape, and I love the way they pack this, and all the designs are different, all the designs are so good, they are so aesthetic. And now let's see how they look on our notebook when I paste them. So you can see that all these tapes look so good. I just love their design, and I'm going to rate these tapes 11 out of 10 because I love them. So now our last product is this Journal Se Literary Album Series Tape Sticker Material Paper Set, and this is so cool. Like I love every single product from Journal Se, and this one, like this product is on next level. They have like so many things in this folder, you can say, in this pack, and I just love them. So the first thing we have are these washi tape, 3 washi tape. Next thing which we have are these 5 pieces of this type of films. Like they are retro films, I know. I think that they are known as retro films, and all these 5 films has their own different design, and I love these kind of things. So yeah, now the next thing which we have are these small little cute aesthetic pictures, and all those 5 pictures have their own design. Love that thing, and they are so aesthetic in look also. Next thing which we have are these Polaroid pictures. They look so real, like they just feel like we just click it from Polaroid, and they look so good. So yeah, I just love this Polaroid pictures also. Next we have are these cute little small pictures which are so aesthetic in look as well. So yeah, just love them. Now the next thing which we have are these cute stickers, aesthetic stickers. They are one of my favorite thing from this folder. So yeah, I just love them as well. Next thing which we have are these templates. You can just paste your own picture or you can just customize the way you want, which I love them. And they are around 20, or I don't know the number they have total they are, but I think they are around 20 or 25. So yeah, all of them are so cool, you can say so aesthetic in look. So yeah, just love them. Next thing which we have are these papers on which some amazing quotes are written, and my favorite quote on one of them is, "For every hurt you are the beat." I just love that quote. Now the next product we have are these amazing stickers. Like they have some amazing nude colors and I just love the design, I just love the colors, I love everything from these stickers from this folder. So yeah, I just love them. All of them are very great in quality. Next thing which we have are these A5 size, I don't know the size, but I think these are A5 size posters, and all of them are so aesthetic in look as well. Just love them. You can just paste them in your room and they are going to look so good. So yeah, just love them. And the last thing which we have from this folder are these A4 size posters. Love them, love the way they look, love their design. I just love these kind of posters. So yeah, just give this folder a try. Just buy this folder and you will never going to regret. So yeah, all these posters have their own design, which I love the most. Like in journal say every single thing has its own design. There are no repeating design in anything, which I love so much. And the last thing, like that poster is second last thing, and the last thing is this folder. This folder has so great quality. So yeah, that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram and also follow Journal Say from on Instagram. Both of our links in description. So yeah, till next video, bye. And yeah, just buy something from Journal Say and you will never going to regret. Just buy and give Journal Say a try. Now till next video, bye.